my channel Try to DIY. This is Camille. I know it's been a long time, but I promise I'm back, and today I'm super excited because I will present you the biggest makeover I've ever done, and it turned out to be so good. Back to December 2020, my mom actually told me that she wanted to remodel and redecorate her whole living room, but she didn't know where to start. Of course, I jumped on the occasion and I said that I was going to help her because honestly, this yellow wallpaper and this fishnet really needed to go. I actually couldn't wait another minute, so I removed the fishnet and I quickly redecorated this wall with what I had on hand. Maybe you will recognize some of the decor that are DIYs. But let's face it, everything needed to be updated. It took me a couple of months to research, to plan, to find and to buy all the right furnitures and all the right decor to realize this huge project. Of course, I had a very limited budget, so I even realized some of the decor by myself, like for example the light fixture, to save a little bit of money for the rest. Now, the real thing started September 2021. We moved around a couple of furnitures to start removing the wallpaper on the wall and on the ceiling. I start removing the small stuff like curtains, light fixture. And then we removed all the furniture out of this room. This big boy wasn't easy at all, so I needed to ask my little brother's help. Everyone, meet my little brother. Next step was fixing those walls before painting. Let me tell you, they were in really bad shape. That I just needed to put a primer before starting with the fun part, that is the color.
Alors dites-moi, monsieur Cachou, que pensez-vous des avancées? C'est validé? C'est pas mal? Tu veux que je te caresse, hein?
While the ceiling and the walls were finishing to dry, I started removing the vinyl floor because I knew that there was a really nice hardwood floor under this. And this is where the fun part starts, at least for me, applying the color on the wall. The first color I'm using is called Rose Nude. I actually wanted to jump on this occasion to thank the brand V33 that actually sent us those paints. They were really easy to use. You could use them on a lot of different support. The coverage was amazing, but the most important, the colors were beautiful. So thank you for that. And on the back wall, I'm actually drawing a giant arch that I will paint with the second color that is called Cerise Exquise. After I painted the walls, I actually took care of the floor. I sanded it and then I applied a protective coat on it. And now all the hard work is done, so we can put the furnitures. I got two storage cabinets from IKEA. One is for the TV and the other one is to replace the big brown furniture that we removed at the beginning of this video. Unfortunately, I didn't have time to film this part, but I upcycled the existing table that was dark brown. I simply sanded the top part and applied a protective coat, and for the feet I painted them white. Okay people, this is time for the final touches. I'm so excited about this part. I even did a last minute DIY because why not? I ended up updating everything. The ceiling, the floor, the wall, the furniture, the decor. So when I put in the title of this video, Extreme Makeover, I'm not kidding, I really mean extreme. This makeover is now officially done. So let's watch together my mom's reaction.
Attention, je vais fermer la porte derrière moi. Parfait. T'es prête?
Oui.
1, 2, 3.
Je reconnais pas ma pièce. Je te jure. Ah mais oui, mais franchement, j'ai l'impression que j'ai jamais vécu ici.
Alright guys, this video is now over. This was the biggest makeover I've ever done. Please let me know in the comment section below what you thought about it. Don't forget to share with your friends and your family. If you're not already, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It will mean a lot to us. And we'll see you for a next project, maybe another makeover. We're planning on doing more maybe. So see you soon. Bye.